Hello everyone, I'm Kshitij Bista and today I'm going to inform you all about Salmonella infection. Salmonella infection or Salmonellosis is the infection caused by bacteria Salmonella. It is one of the commonly reported foodborne illnesses in the United States. Salmonella is a group of rot-cell bacteria that can cause diarrheal illness in humans. Among many serotypes of Salmonella, most common serotypes that can cause human infection are Enteritis, Typhimurium, Newport, and Javiana. Salmonella infection is more common in summer than in winter. Children under the age of 5, adults who are over 65, and people with weak immune systems are at the highest risk of getting infected. Salmonella lives in the intestinal tracts of humans and animals, and it can transmit through eating contaminated food, drinking contaminated water, or contacting infected animals and then using the same hand to eat or drink. This infection results in acute gastroenteritis, which is a mild to severe diarrheal disease. Symptoms of disease normally develop 12 to 72 hours after exposure and may include sudden onset of diarrhea, abdominal cramps, fever, nausea, vomiting, and headache. Diarrhea for several days can lead to hospitalization, but most people recover from the infection completely within a week. Sometimes salmonella infection can spread to body parts other than intestine, which can cause other complications. The illness usually lasts 4 to 7 days, and most people recover without any antibiotic treatment. After being exposed to Salmonella from contaminated food, water, or an infected animal, it takes about 2 to 4 weeks to confirm that person is part of an outbreak. Estimated 1.2 million illness and 450 deaths occur annually in the United States alone due to non-typhoidal Salmonella infection, according to CDC. Annual incidence of Salmonella infection in the United States was 15.2 per 100,000 individuals. As indicated by past outbreaks, if farm or the factory is the source, Salmonella infection can spread wildly. Here's final case count map showing persons infected with Salmonella typhimurium during Salmonella outbreak of 2013. During that outbreak, total of 356 persons infected with the outbreak strain of Salmonella typhimurium were reported from 39 states. And here is a final case count map of persons infected with outbreak strains of Salmonella Heidelberg in 2014. A total of 634 individuals were infected with this strain in 29 states during the outbreak. Here I have listed steps to conduct an outbreak investigation. Proper planning for investigation, selection of case and controls, correct study design, timeliness, accurate laboratory analysis are all essential part of the investigation. Also, conducting an environmental studies and implementing control is necessary in order to formulate and test hypotheses which can necessitate further studies. Communicating the findings is a conclusive step during the investigation. If we were to study Salmonella outbreaks, we would use all of these steps before coming to conclusion. Here are my references. I hope this presentation was informative to all of you. You all have a good day.